Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So on today's video I was going to show you how to install rail guards on the OneWheel Pint X, as you can see like so, but I messed it up. So I'm going to show you how I reversed that and actually did get it installed properly, even though it doesn't look all that good. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to use this car holder that I bought, and we're going to place the OneWheel on that on one side and get the guards installed. So I just purchased this only about a week ago. I got it really dirty and I'm like, you know what, let me get some guards on the sides of these bad boys. So I'm just giving it a clean little wipe down and then using some alcohol to make sure that it's nice and clean before I stick the rail guards on. Okay, and this is what I get for not reading any instructions and just thinking that they're all the same, didn't even look at the holes there, and decided I was just going to place one on one side because it looked like it matched. So there's my mistake right there. And here goes the fail. Right there. And I press it on hard too. I make sure it's on there. Jeez. And I didn't even realize it until I flipped it over. I kind of knew something was up here because the red at the bottom and the other one was clear and see-through. I'm like, why'd they do that? But whatever. Let's stick it on anyways. So this one is fine on this side. Then after I flipped it over, I noticed it. So I panicked and decided to grab a knife and try to remove it. So do not do this at home. You might accidentally cut yourself. Get yourself a heat gun and maybe a couple flatheads and try to heat it up and then peel it off. But yeah, this is what happens when you make a mistake and you're desperate. Alright, and I did get it off. And it's still in one piece. Alright, now that we got that off, I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the adhesive just by hand. And it comes off really easily. And once that's finished, just take some alcohol again and just wipe it clean. Alright, so this was the damaged one that I removed earlier. Now you should, which I didn't do, go in and kind of remove the adhesive and also use a little bit more hot glue. I ran out here, but it actually sticks quite well with the limited amount of glue that I actually had. As you can see, it looks pretty good. You definitely see some of the blue wearing through on the left side, but hey, it's definitely salvageable. Alright, now we're almost done. I'm just going to install my yellow charger plug right in there. And I'll probably do a couple more videos on this as I customize it further, but I'm pretty happy with it. She has been salvaged. Alright, and there's the final product. That's how it looks. Pretty decent. Not too bad. I'm happy with her. Hey, what can you do? So please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.